In Rillsoft Project, you can create a new project from a text file in CSV format. Suppose we have our project information including project structure, names of subprojects, names of tasks, start and finish dates of tasks in an Excel file. An example file might look like this: import_excel.xls. Step 1. Save the file as CSV. First, save this file in CSV format with a delimiter, for example, a semicolon. Step 2. Open and edit the CSV file. Next, open the saved file import_excel CSV in a text editor such as Notepad++ and make any necessary corrections. In our example, we delete the second row, which contains no relevant information. Note that a semicolon is used as the delimiter between fields. Important: if the information in an Excel column is separated by a semicolon, such as the employees assigned to a task, then these are displayed in the CSV file in quotation marks with a semicolon in between. We must then replace the semicolon in between with another symbol, for example 2 decimal point, and delete the 2 quotation marks. In our example, these are the lines for the tasks: 3 analysis, 4.1 manufacturing mechanics, 4.2 manufacturing electrics, 5.1 installation mechanics. We change accordingly and save the edited file as import_excel.csv. Step 3. Import the CSV file into Rillsoft Project. Select the menu option file Import text file in CSV format and open our CSV file. In the Import from Text File dialog box, go through all the options. Check the box for first row contains headers only. Do not import if the first row should not be imported. In the column separator list, select the delimiter used in your CSV file, which in our case is a semicolon. This keeps the individual elements separated. Next, in the date and time format list, select the format in which the date and time are represented in the text file. Step 4. Map the data to project fields. We want the structure of the imported project to be determined by the WBS code. The table lists the information that can be imported into the project. Click the Next button. In the second step, we specify the column arrangement. From the text file, we can import the following information into Rillsoft Project for individual project steps: number, name, start and end, effort and duration assigned personnel. Click in the mapping column in the row with number and select WBS from the drop-down list with a double-click. For the name row, select name. Assign the start field to start and the finish field to finish. Values for effort, duration, and assigned personnel can only be imported into Rillsoft Project using user fields. Up to 20 user fields are available. Step 5. Finalize the import. Click the Finish button. Our project plan in Rillsoft Project will now look like this. Step 6. Manually link tasks, if necessary. If necessary, manually create the dependencies between individual tasks. Through the menu option Start Insert Link, first select the type of link, for example, Finish Start. Then, select 2 tasks by holding down the left mouse button and click Start Insert Link. This way, you can link multiple tasks at once. Alternatively, you can link tasks in the Gantt chart area by moving the cursor over the taskbar, and when the cursor appears as a chain symbol, drag it to the successor task while holding down the left mouse button. Step 7. Display information from the user-defined fields and integrate it into the project, if necessary. First, we add 3 custom fields to the project by clicking on Custom Fields in the Project Properties window and then entering the following: effort, duration, employee. Next, we enable the created user fields in the task table. When we compare the Rillsoft calculated values for task duration and task effort with the values from the custom fields, we find that the duration values match. However, the effort values do not match, particularly for tasks where more than one person is listed in the custom field employee. We click on Task Analysis, and in the Properties window, on the Employee tab, we assign 2 employees, Sampleman and Whiteman, to the task. Now, when we compare the task effort with the effort from the Excel document, We can see that the values match at 48 person-hours. The duration has not changed because we have defined the duration as fixed during resource allocation for the task and for the entire project. We can continue assigning personnel for the following tasks: manufacturing mechanics, manufacturing electrics, installation mechanics. This allows you to import your Excel documents into Rillsoft Project.